Okay guys, our next topic is acute brachial neuritis. Basically, the term neuritis refers to inflammation of nerve, and neuropathy is referred to damage or dysfunctioning of nerve. Okay, so it is inflammation of brachial plugs that can cause peripheral neuropathy, or we can say it the peripheral nerves are dysfunctioned. Okay, it is neurological disorder of unknown cause. Sudden onset pain usually occur at night around shoulder, muscle weakness, and sometimes atrophy is also involved. Usually, superior trunk of brachial plugs is involved in acute brachial neuritis. It can be increased by upper respiratory tract infections. So that's all that are today's lectures. So I hope you have enjoyed it and learned from it. Thank you.